Let's go ahead and simulate our signals by running a test formula on this washer. The formula that we've selected for that is formula 39. On your washer, with your chart or your card or your microprocessor, may be another number. One other important consideration is the formula designators on a microprocessor. If you can line those formula numbers up with the formula designation on your remote control, i.e. if formula 3 is your sheet formula on the washer, then use formula 3 on your remote control. Try to make the installation as user-friendly and understandable as you can make it for the operators. To get started, let's select 39, hit start. Now the machine is going to begin to fill, and we'll advance through the cycle and have a look at our first supply here in a moment. On the front of the Unimac, we also have supply indicators located on the front of the control, supply 1 through supply 5. So when we see this light come on, we should see our light on the SIB, or our signal interface, light up. And at the same time, if we have a chemical volume for that formula that we're on with our remote, then we should see the pump run as well. Supply 1, 2, and 3 have been triggered by the program, and we can see that we have a corresponding response by our signal interface for pump 1, 2, and 3. So at this point, we know that supply 1, 2, and 3 and the response of our pumps is exactly what we want. Pumps are running, supplies are getting into the washer, so we know we've wired up our trigger inputs correctly. It's important to note that on most washers, supply signals will not be generated until you achieve the level for that particular step. In this case, we're waiting for the cold water level to rise in the washer before our supply triggers will turn on. Now we have our fourth supply, which confirms that we have wired by the washer, system up, accepted by our SIB. Now we're ready to prime our pumps, calibrate our flush time, and run.